In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to a Confluence space. Let's start inside Confluence. First, open the workspace and navigate to the specific space where you want to add people. If you're not already there, use the sidebar or the search bar to find it quickly. A quick tip before you go any further, you'll need to be a space admin or have permission to manage space permissions to complete this process. If you don't see the right options later on, check with your Confluence administrator. Once you're in the correct space, look for space settings. You'll usually find this in the left-hand sidebar or by selecting the space name and choosing the settings option from the menu. If your screen looks a little different, that's okay. Confluence layouts can vary slightly, but you're aiming for the space settings area. Inside space settings, open the section labeled Permissions or Members. Different Confluence versions might use slightly different wording, but the idea is the same. This is where you control who can access the space and what they can do. Now, search for the team member you want to add. Use the search box to look them up by their name or username. If you work with large teams, you might also see groups listed here. Groups are collections of users managed centrally, and adding a group can save a lot of time if multiple people need the same access. After you find the right person or group, select it carefully. If you see multiple similar names, hover or expand to confirm you've got the intended account. Accuracy here prevents access issues later. Next, choose the access level they need. Common options include view-only access, edit access for contributors, and admin access for people who need to manage settings. Like, when in doubt, follow the principle of least privilege. Grant only what's necessary, and you can always increase access later. If you're adding a group, remember that group permissions apply to everyone in that group. When you're done, save your changes. Look for a save or apply button and confirm that the updates were successful. To make sure everything worked, ask the person you added to refresh Confluence and open the space, or check the member list again to confirm their name appears with the right role. If their access isn't showing up immediately, give it a moment and try again, as permission updates can take a short time to propagate. That's it. You've added members to your Confluence space confidently and correctly.